Hello, this is Akshara. Welcome to my channel. This video is continuation of my Telangana Geography Part 1 video. If you haven't watched it yet, I will provide the link in the description below. This series of videos are especially to those who are preparing for TSPSC examinations. In my previous video, I explained about the introductory part of Telangana and physical features including symbols, rivers, soils, crops, physiography, forest and structure of state. In this video, I will try to explain about the districts of Telangana in detail. There are 10 old districts and now there are 33. I will let you know the geography of some districts in this part of the video. So let's go. Adilabad. This district lies in the north part of Telangana region. The people of Adilabad mostly speak Telugu, Urdu and Marathi. This district has lot of historical background. Adilabad Fort, which is called as Gateway to Telangana, is located in this area. And Adilabad Fort is also called as Gateway to South India. Kuntala waterfalls located here, which is highest in Telangana state. Earlier, the name of Adilabad is Yadulapuram or Edlapuram. Later, Adilabad is named by Bijapur Sultan Adil Shah. This area is great to grow cotton. So this Adilabad is also called as White Gold City. As we already said, this city is also called as Gateway to South India. Boundaries of Adilabad in Telangana are Nirmal, Komarambim, and out of Telangana as Nanded and Chandrapur. The soil of Adilabad is black cotton soil. So this is rich to grow cotton, soyabean, paddy and wheat. Kuntala waterfalls, Godavari river, Penganga flows through Adilabad. Mavala Lake, which is built during Nizam period, lies in 6 km south of Adilabad, and Sahyadri Hills are also located in Adilabad district. Nirmal. This district has lot of historical and cultural background, and it is famous for Nirmal toys and paintings. Pochampad Dam is built here. Nirmal is founded by Nimma Reddy. The river Godavari flows through Sahyadri Hills and enters Telangana state through Nirmal. It is a Deccan plateau and foothills of Nirmal range are located here. Boundaries of Nirmal in Telangana are Adilabad, Komarambim, Manchiryal, Jagityal, Nizamabad along with Godavari river. And Nanded, which is in Maharashtra, it means out of Telangana state. Sri Ram Sagar project or Pochampad Dam, which is flood flow project, lies across Godavari river of Nirmal district. Paddy, cotton, pulses are majorly grown crops of Nirmal district. Saraswati temple is located in Basara of Nirmal. Komarambim. This district lies beside Adilabad. Earlier, this area is called as Asifabad. This name got by the person who was Telangana tribal leader fought against Asaf Jahi dynasty. Komarambim project is also constructed in this area. This area is mostly covered by thick forests, and the boundaries of Komarambim in Telangana are Manchiryal, Nirmal, Adilabad, and Yavatmal, Chandrapur, Nanded of Maharashtra. As it is rich in forest areas, it is known to be home of endangered species of vultures and tigers. Vultures are mostly seen in Bejur forest of Komarambim and tigers are mostly seen in Sirpur forest of Komarambim. And there is also a vulture reserve and tiger reserve, which is Palarapu Guttalu and Kadamba forest reserve respectively. This area mostly covers with black soil, so cotton and paddy are majorly grown crops of Komarambim. Manchiryal. This is located on north banks of Godavari river. This district has rich forest resources. Singareni Collieries Company is established here. The boundaries of Manchiryal are Komarambim, Nirmal, Jagityal, Peddapalli, Bhupalapalli in Telangana state and Gadchiroli of Maharashtra. During 1970s, Industrial Training Institute was opened in Manchiryal. This Mancherial is rich in forest resources and many small and large-scale industries. Singareni Kolleru Companies, Kaval Tiger Reserve, Shivaram Wildlife Sanctuary, Singareni Thermal Power Plant and Gandhari Fort are all located in Mancherial district of Telangana state. Majorly grown crops are paddy, maize, cotton and groundnut. Nizamabad. It is third largest district of Telangana state. It is named due to Nizam rule. Famous places are Gurudwara and Nizam Fort. It is majorly urban agglomeration. And boundaries of Nizamabad in Telangana are Nirmal, Karimnagar, Jagitial and Kamareddy and Nanded of Maharashtra. Archaeological and Heritage Museum, which is opened on October 2001, are located in Nizamabad. The people of Nizamabad mostly speak Telugu and Urdu. Sriram Sagar project, which is on Pochampad Dam, is constructed in Nizamabad. That's all in this video. If you want more videos regarding this topic, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.